Good morning, class 2. So, today we are going to start with our tier 3, in which we will learn unit A, that is articles. And we are going to do an activity through which you will understood that what are articles. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that articles are of 3 types: a, and, the. As you all know that our alphabets are divided into 2 parts, that is vowels and consonants. So vowels, for the vowels we use and for the consonants we use a and the. A and the are for consonants and an is for vowels. See here in this your tier book, you can see it's written vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are the rest of the alphabets. Means 5 vowels are there and 21 consonants. So let's start doing activity. So first of all, we'll do for A. We use a for these. For the words like bear, fan, girl. जितने भी words आपके consonant से start होते हैं हम उनके लिए a use करते हैं. I'll be showing you the flashcards. See, this flashcard you're seeing, it is a girl. So girl किससे start है? G से. So it will be a consonant and we will use a girl. After that it comes radio, children. So can you all tell me that what we use for radio? We use A for radio because R is the consonant. After that it is fan. What we use? Which article we'll use for fan? We will use a, because F is a consonant. After that bear. Bear also we will use a because B is a consonant. Bear is starting from B and B is a consonant. So we will use a for bear. In this way you all can read the words like. Now let's come to and. Now it's turn of an. So for an we take the words like egg, eagle, octopus, idol, apron. All the words which are started from A, E, I, O, U. Those are vowels. So now for this I'll show you the flashcards related to this, like we are talking about first of all U. So umbrella. Umbrella, that is U. And you will use an umbrella. Escalator. Escalator is starting from E. It is a vowel, so we will use an. Unicorn. It is U. The word is starting from U. So what vowel we will use? An. Octopus. Octopus is starting from O. So what vowel we will use? An. Idol. Idol, what we will be using here? An. Why? Because it also starts from I, which is a vowel. Apron. Apron, what we will use, children? Can you all guess? Okay, so we will use an for the apron because it's also a word starting with vowel. In the same way, we will speak an eagle. An egg, and the same comes here. Now it's turn to move on to the. We'll move to the. The is used for the particular things. The is used for particular things means किसी जब हम fixed person, place या animal की बात करते हैं. See, the Taj Express, द भगवद गीता, द बाइबल, द हिमालय, द वाइट हाउस. We have 5 examples here. Taj Express, बाइबल, भगवद गीता, हिमालयाज, द वाइट हाउस. इन सब के आगे हम दा लगाएंगे. वाई? बिकॉज ये सारी चीज़ें अपने में यूनिक हैं, ये सिर्फ ओनली वन हैं. सो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? दा हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी यूनिक चीज़ के बारे में, मीन्स जो चीज़ सिर्फ एक हो उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स वी कैन से द सन, द मून, द अर्थ, क्योंकि ये सब चीज़ें भी वन हैं. सो कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी जो सिर्फ वन है, सो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? द. थैंक यू.